We live in an incredible era for space discovery. Every year, we learn more about our universe and its many wonders. And yet, one fact remains a mystery to scientists and the public alike. Despite the near infinite number of potentially habitable planets out there, we haven't found any aliens yet. So here's the big question. If aliens exist, where are they? Welcome to my channel. And today, let's look at one of the biggest mysteries in space. The universe is vast, ancient, and filled with billions of potentially habitable planets. So why haven't we found extraterrestrial life? This seemingly simple question has kept scientists up at night for decades, and as technology advances, the puzzle only becomes more intriguing. So what's going on? Are we really alone in this vast universe? In 1950, physicist Enrico Fermi posed this very question, giving rise to what has become known as the Fermi Paradox. In a paper titled, "Is There Intelligent Life Beyond Earth?" Fermi pointed out that if intelligent alien civilizations are out there, why haven't we detected them yet? This paradox highlights the apparent contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial life existing and our lack of contact with it. For example, just within our own galaxy, the Milky Way, there are estimated to be between 100 and 400 billion stars, many of which are similar to our Sun and could support life as we know it. If life arose naturally on Earth, it's reasonable to assume that it could also arise on other planets with similar conditions. Moreover, the universe is vast, containing billions of galaxies, each with billions of stars and planets. Surely, if life is common, we would have found some form of it already, right? So, where are the aliens? To understand the possible explanations for the Fermi Paradox, we must first consider the scale of the problem. Our galaxy alone, the Milky Way, is home to hundreds of billions of stars. With so many stars, it's likely that there are many planets capable of supporting life. In fact, scientists estimate that there could be as many as 40 billion Earth-like planets in the Milky Way. Furthermore, the universe is vast, containing billions of galaxies, each with billions of stars and planets. Surely, if life is common, we would have found some form of it already, right? Well, not necessarily. One possible explanation for the Fermi Paradox is what scientists call the Great Filter. This theory suggests that civilizations tend to destroy themselves before they reach the stage of interstellar travel. According to this view, there may be a great filter, a barrier that prevents species from becoming like us or further. This could be a natural barrier, such as the need for large brains, which could take millions of years to evolve. Or it could be an artificial barrier, such as a self-imposed limit on population size or resource consumption. Civilizations tend to destroy themselves before they reach the stage of interstellar travel. I think it's possible that we are the only civilization in the galaxy that has overcome this barrier. Another explanation for the Fermi Paradox is the zoo hypothesis. This theory suggests that advanced civilizations choose to observe us from afar without interfering in our development. According to this view, aliens may be aware of our existence, but they choose to avoid contact until we reach a certain level of technological advancement. This could be because they want to prevent us from developing harmful technologies, or it could be because they simply want to study us as a form of entertainment. Regardless, the zoo hypothesis suggests that we are not alone, but that we are being kept under observation. A darker explanation for the Fermi Paradox is the dark forest theory. This theory suggests that intelligent civilizations go to great lengths to hide their presence from others. According to this view, the universe is a dangerous place, and civilizations are constantly on the lookout for potential threats. As a result, they take extreme measures to avoid detection, such as shutting down their lights and traveling in complete darkness. This theory paints a grim picture of the universe where civilizations are forced to live in fear of being destroyed by their peers. It suggests that if we haven't detected any aliens yet, it's because they are good at hiding and that they may be watching us closely. However, the Fermi Paradox doesn't necessarily mean that we are truly alone. There is another possibility, which is that we are looking for aliens in the wrong way. This theory suggests that alien life may exist, but that we are so focused on searching for intelligent civilizations that we are missing the obvious signs. For example, we may be overlooking microbial life that is abundant on other planets. Additionally, we may be searching for life that is similar to ours, when in reality, it could be vastly different. We might be looking for planets with liquid water and an atmosphere, when microbial life would thrive in completely different environments. Fortunately, we are not just sitting around waiting for aliens to contact us. Scientists are actively searching for signs of life beyond Earth through various means, including the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. SETI. SETI is an ongoing project that involves listening for radio signals from distant civilizations. By analyzing these signals, scientists can determine whether or not they are artificial in origin. Another method scientists use to search for aliens is by studying distant stars and planets. By analyzing the light that passes through distant star systems, scientists can look for signs of life on planets orbiting those stars. This method, known as gravitational lensing, can help identify potential biosignatures, which are indicators of life, such as oxygen in the atmosphere of a planet. Additionally, scientists are currently discovering thousands of exoplanets, some of which resemble Earth. These planets could potentially support life, and scientists are eager to study them in greater detail. To further our search for alien life, scientists are developing new space missions to explore promising locations. For example, NASA's upcoming James Webb Space Telescope will be able to detect infrared light, which can penetrate dust clouds and reveal hidden stars and planets. Additionally, the European Space Agency's JUICE probe will explore Jupiter's moon, Europa, which is believed to have a liquid ocean beneath its icy surface. These missions represent just a small fraction of the effort underway to detect alien life. As technology advances, we may be able to detect alien civilizations in just a few decades. However, even if we do detect signs of life, it may not be the type of contact we are hoping for. Some scientists believe that we may first detect microbial life on other planets rather than intelligent civilizations. This raises the question of what we should do once we make contact with alien life. Should we attempt to communicate with it, or should we observe it from afar? These are important questions that scientists and philosophers are beginning to grapple with as we venture further into space. The prospect of finding extraterrestrial life is both exciting and daunting. If we were to discover life elsewhere in the universe, it would revolutionize our understanding of the universe and our place in it. On the other hand, it would also raise a host of new questions and challenges. But despite the uncertainty, the search for extraterrestrial life is one of the most exciting endeavors of our time. As technology advances and our understanding of the universe grows, we may be closer to finding answers than ever before. Who knows? Perhaps in our lifetime, we will discover that we are truly alone in the universe, or maybe we will find that the universe is teeming with life. One thing is for sure, the discovery will change our understanding of the universe forever. So what do you think? Are we alone in the universe, or is there life out there waiting to be discovered? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.